How do you pronounce Dom Perignon in the best possible fashion? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Start with Dom. Note that there's an M at Don and not an N, so you have to say Dom rather than Don. Dom, and then Peri, just think of what you would say if you'd say peripheral, or maybe Katy Perry, Perry. And finally, Gnon. Dom Perignon. Do not necessarily insist so much on the final N. Do not say Dom Perignon, but rather Dom Perignon. If you can pronounce the French R, and if your French is good enough, say in the typical French pronunciation, Dom Perignon. Dom Perignon. But it's fine in English to say Dom Perignon. I made a video explaining all the key facts that you should absolutely know about Dom Perignon champagne, where it comes from, what it's made of. And I also made a video about how good and what Dom Perignon champagne wine tastes like, whether it's worth the $200 to $300 price tag that they've asked for it. Dom Perignon, I'll leave you to watch those other videos, and I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Cheers.